Mark,
Mark,
word is being
earnestly,
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty
and loyalty,
for as long as I live.
for as long as I live.
Okay, so, paano yung first Cross, word is being as a symbol of my love and loyalty to you for as long as I live. Cross, I give you this ring as a pledge and a dedication to your will.
I am set with all my heart.
Mark made no to Vicente and Roshan Randa Dinurista. You are legally and lawfully wedded now. Mark, be to the witnesses. Now, you may kiss the bride.